Right, good afternoon. Dephemerember, day 18, no, 19, Nature's Treasure. As you can see, I've been having a bit of a session. I've got a moaning Myrtle, the cat. She's hungry, so just if you can hear her meowing, just ignore it. She is not starving, okay? So I've dragged out some bits. I'm getting so low now. Anything that had animals on it, hang on, I pulled out of here. So I'm getting a bit low. I couldn't see anything else with animals or nature or leaves or anything else like that on it. I might need that for the butterflies actually, but anyway, yeah, I'm just double checking. Sorry. Hope you're all having a good day. Anyway, I've just literally logged off from work, so I shot straight up here trying to keep up with this. Ooh, I didn't know they were in there. Thanks, Kipper. I like them. Right, okay, yeah, there's nothing animal. See, I did think about that. Let's leave that out just in case I want it. There's nothing animal related in there anymore. I found a hedgehog, and obviously I've got this cut out of the tree that I did, and then I've got the butterfly cut out. I had this sticky paper, so I might fussy cut, but they're so tiny. Fussy cut these little butterflies here. I did manage to punch out a circle of a flower. So what I'm going to do basically is just like everything nature themed, because I haven't got a clue what else to do. So I was thinking of sorry, thinking of multiple layers and flips and stuff like that. So let's just stop talking, Susan. Let's get on with it. Right. Yeah, and I found some die cut leaves. I've got some birds that were from a napkin that I'd put onto paper. These are out of Kippa's stuff that she sent me. These are those little dies that I got from that company that did the same as the mushroom ones. So I found those in my little pot of loveliness here. I have got some more leaves actually, but I was trying to get a mixture of all sorts of flora, fauna. Yeah. Anyway, enough yabbing. Let's get on. So we're going to use all of that, hopefully. So I wanted to put a bit of decorative paper on here. Now this, I think I downloaded it from, I don't know where. It's very out of focus, but I just want it as a background. I think I blew it up a little bit too big. Right, okay, so let's just chop this out and let's get on with it. I did watch Barbara's and it was lovely what she did. Always is. Yeah, it's very nice indeed. Oh, and I pulled out 2 bits of acetate from, oh no, acetate. What are you called? Speak to me. Anyway, see-through stuff, because I'm going to put that on as well as another layer. So it'll come. I'll blurt it out in a minute. You know that. So I'm just going to put this on here. I'm not worried about the white edge. I'm going to go in with a bit of gesso, I think, just to, as I say, this is quite blurry. I think I expanded it too much, but it's just to give that a bit of background. I don't know. We're going to play. I might do a bit of speedy uppy stuff. I've got an incredibly sore throat still, so if I don't talk a lot, I will do the fast forwarding, but I don't do a lot during the week because obviously I'm working. So tomorrow we've got our Christmas dinner. We're going to Exeter Golf Course. How posh are we? It is lovely though. They do the most amazing food. But my colleague isn't feeling very well, and I'm hoping she does come. So I've got 2 other colleagues as well. But, you know, yeah, it's sad when there's one of us dips out. So come on. With any luck, we'll be given permission to just go straight home afterwards and carry on working from home. That will be my goal. Eliminate going in. I've told you this before. So many projects I want to do. So much stuff. I'm hoping that Christmas is going to be fairly quiet. But now I've said that, it will go absolutely bonkers. But I don't really want to miss out on time with the kids and that, so projects will just have to wait. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen Louisa's yet, but I did see Barbara's. Sorry, I'm just really being fussy here, but I kind of want that to... Right, okay. Trouble is, if I put gesso on, I'm going to anyway. I might have to pause you while I dry this. Let's use the old finger tool, why not? I'm trying to think of something exciting to tell you. I don't think there is. I got a lovely gift from one of my subscribers. I'll do a show and tell because I've got another stitchery swap thing popped in, so I need to, and I forgot to let her know on Discord. So I'm absolutely hopeless at the moment, honestly. Sorry. Yeah, so I keep thinking I've communicated with people and I really haven't, and that's just, it's annoying me, so God knows how annoying it is to everybody else. That's a dry one. I've got a cloth here somewhere, and do you think I can find it? No. Right, let's more or less dry that anyway. Right, it kind of takes away the blur-ish. So my idea is, let me talk you through my idea, and you might actually know what I'm on about. So I'm going to put this one here, and then in Kippa's stuff was an envelope, so I'm going to put that here so it opens, and I'm going to put that on top of here with those bits of vellum. See, told you it come. Bits of vellum there, so it's going to be sort of layers. So I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to have like the mouse stuck in here, and that's all going to get stuck on there, and then under there I might have the cats or something, but I've got all these creatures that I want to put on, and I'm looking at this now and I'm like, do I want to get that on as well, or should I save that because we've got a fairy to do tomorrow? I might wait, yeah, because it is, yeah, recycled fairy. I'm going to wait. I'll keep that one because that would be quite nice for that. So what I was thinking was this shimmery paper for the butterflies. They just about fit. Don't think I'm going to get much on there. The idea was that, you know, you can just have lots of flip ups and flip downs and what have yous. Right, let's do that. Let me put that there to just dry for a minute. Mind you, it's so cold in my house, I'm surprised if anything dries. I'm far too tight to put the heating on. I have blankets and I have sweatshirts. It's not going on. Let's put that on there. Let me just see what you're seeing, because I think I might be right. If I sort of make sure I stay at the front there, that should be fine. So what I am quite keen to do is make that a journaling spot, because that's going to be the last flip up. Come on, go in. Sorry, that's going to get super annoying, me coughing. Right, come on, there must be scrap paper here somewhere, Susan. I've got a bit in here. Usually there's one like somewhere. Oh. Thank you for all your comments on this, by the way. It's lovely to read, and I'm glad that sometimes I do something that helps you guys, like with using a crochet hook to pull your threads through like I did yesterday. Apparently that was helpful. I just automatically do it. I saw a blank page. Oh, it's got a picture on it. Right, okay. Yeah, apparently that was helpful, so that's all good. Still looking for a blank page, I'm sorry. Oh, actually we could do one with him on. Yes. Because he's another beastie. And that can be written on as well. Perfect. Perfecto. If it was going in a journal, I would be sewing all this stuff and things like that, but this is just going to be something that I look back on occasionally. Mackerel! Shut up! She's at it again. Apologies for shouting. She knows it drives me nuts. I think that's why she does it. It's a conspiracy. Because cats do that, don't they? Conspiracy workers. What are you doing? I can see you. It's the cat, in case you're new here. Okay, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my somewhat crazy animal that I live with. I see all these TikToks, you know, where their animals come up and give them cuddles and snuggling and it's all nice and lovey-dovey. Mine? No. No. You get a stroke as she bites you. She's not a friendly cat. It's all on her terms. You're allowed to stroke her when she says so. And that's it. And if you stroke her and she's not in the mood, you get it. But she's always been the same, so I tend not to bother her. Right. Okay, so that's the first bit. So that'd be the first lift up bit. Like that. Okay. So I need to stick that on with something, don't I? What have I got? I've got this Your Creative Studio washi. I might use that actually. It's quite sticky, but we'll give it a little bit of help anyway, just in case. I'm quite happy with that being the first layer, so we're going to stick this one down and we can go from there. Of course, I've stuck that down and that's not going to flip now, is it? I can always staple it if I need to, but we'll give that a minute to dry. It's quite thick. Don't know if we can get the feeling that it's very bulky there, but that's fine. Okay, right, next layer I wanted to be this envelope. Now ordinarily I would do it as a tuck the other side. That should be okay there, but as I'm just doing it not as I would a journal page, basically. Sorry, I'm not making much sense, am I? Yeah, so normally you'd have a tuck that side and then that would flip open and you could put something in there, but I'm not using it like that today. This washi is really pretty. And no, I'm not paid to say that, I just find it pretty. Right, okay, so on here I thought we could do everything. So we got butterflies, and then I'm thinking underneath here I can do the birds and stuff like that. I've explained all that already. Sorry. Shut up now. I might fast forward this bit. You haven't got to listen to me rambling on then. I can't decide if I want them. want these on there because you're going to see it on the back. It might be better if I've got a long strip as opposed to these little individual bits. Or do I even need them? I think I need them. I need to put that down there a bit. No, I think I liked it there. So I need to hinge it there. Because I've got the little mouse to go on. We can put some flowers and things on here. Does it need something there? Well, I suppose the mousey could go on here. If I put a leaf under him, he could go here. Definitely needs something, doesn't it, to block that off, I think, because that makes it a bit more of a mystery. Put that on there. I think that's going to be too heavy. Right, you can wait until a minute. God, you're back. Hello. Cat's here. Trouble is, it's going to look quite scruffy on the back. What do you reckon, Mackie? What should we do? It's a bit there. I mean, does that matter if it looks a bit scruffy on the back? I guess it doesn't. Could have it sticking out there a bit anyway. I think that'll be alright, won't it? It doesn't matter. It's not going to really... Yeah. I'm doing it. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac, I think. So I'm very nervous that the cat's going to jump up any minute. And she tends to want to do a little cameo, lover. Because she's such a poor, neglected cat, aren't you, Mackerel? Me? You a poor, neglected cat? Yeah, you know the word cat, don't you? She is funny. Carve that bit in and those bits out. She's just sat there looking very forlorn for herself because she's so neglected. She hasn't eaten for at least 2 hours. Right. Quite like that. Right, okay, good choice, Susie. Well done. Needed something, didn't it? It was a little bit like in your face otherwise. Right, I think I'm going to get this stuck down and then we can put the rest of these bits on because I want to get all these bits used because they just keep hanging around and it drives me nuts. Right, so we need to stick you down again. Washy, there we are. I'm going to go with the same one, might as well stick with it. Yeah. Might put a bit under there as well. don't need to double stick that one, I don't think. As in put on glue stick. Sorry, I'm not explaining myself, am I? You've had a bit. I didn't do you, did I? Let's put a bit up there, I think. So it's rather heavy with all that sticky paper on it. Sorry, butterfly. I'm liking this. I hope you're liking it. I think it's got merit, as one would say. Okay, I'm going to stick this little mousey on here. Let's use this glue. It's a bit tidier than the glue stick. It tends to go everywhere. Don't mind if it oversticks there. I put Mousy in the middle. He's so cute, that little mouse. I think I might need to give him a little bit of glue actually. I put a load of watercolour paints on him, that's why he's that colour. Underneath, because it all leaked underneath. Need to catch your tail, little man, or lady, whichever you are. Cute. I love you, little mouse. Okay, let's put some of these on. Clearing up all these bits off my desk. What a lovely feeling. That is just the lining, so that can go in the bin. That's the lining. Put this under here. Why not? Ah, ow! Don't stick in my finger. Nearly there, guys. Nearly there. I find just slap it down, because otherwise if I sit and think about it, I just stop sticking in my finger. I put that there actually. And then we've got the little bit of sticky that I could do. Oh, and we've got a green leaf there. I don't know if I like that. Put you there. Yes, I know that's the wrong way up, but that's fine. Anything else? Is that everything? Yep. It's really good. I've got these bits left. Don't think I need anything else. It's a little bit jammed actually, isn't it? I'd like to use this though. Let's put you down there. I think this is a sticker, if I'm not wrong. Let's talk amongst yourselves for a minute while I struggle as usual. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, for Pete's sake, come on, you are a sticker, aren't you? Like, oh my lordy. You've got to be sticky, you're so thick. Kipper, have you sent me some Duff stuff again? Am I dreaming? It's got a plastic coating on the back. It's got to be a sticker. It is a sticker because it was sticky on the main sheet. Right, hang on. that's not a sticker. You see, it's got like a plasticized back, so it's got to be. Come on. Yes, it is. Right, I shall persevere. I'm not doing a complete waste of time here. It's because I punched it and then cut it and then and it doesn't want to come off now. I'll fast forward this bit for you. Okay, I didn't fast forward, but that has literally just torn itself off the sticky back. So we're just going to make do with what we've got here. That is bizarre because that is super sticky. Why the heck wouldn't you come off? What was wrong? I don't know. I'm not going to waste your time with it. Right, okay, so I think we are done. Let me run you through what we've got here. So, Nature's Treasure. So my idea is that you can flip and flap away to find your nature's treasure. I've got to get rid of that white, I'm sorry. These stencils are from Your Creative Studio. I did an unboxing. If you watched it, you'll know. You don't want to work now, do you? That's fine. Go in with the black. There's usually so much ink left on these after you've been inking. It's generally enough to cover. I'm getting worse at not finishing my sentences. I do apologise. Alright, that's it. I'm calling that done. I'm going to cut this out because these are incredibly useful. I printed it in the A4 size, as Barbara advised. Shall I put it up there? Can do, can't I? It doesn't doesn't really matter where it goes, as long as you can read it. I suppose here, there. It can go down there actually. It's not in the way then, is it? And it's not in the way of the eyelets. Okay. Right. Blimey. My desk looks like a bomb's hit it, but at least I've got rid of all those bits and bobs. That's really good. That can go in the bin. Right, okay. That's it. You can go. So, Nature's Treasures. So I just thought of all the animals, flora, fauna, you know, the usual. Let me just drag it down a little bit. And it was a good way of getting rid of a load of stuff off my desk and some flora and fauna stuff. Ordinarily you put a journaling card in there. I don't want to use that tree because I think I might use that tomorrow for the fairy. So the hedgehog went down there and that flips up. That's your journaling spot. And obviously you could have another journaling spot in there. But it's fine. It's good enough. And I like that. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.